The power of words. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between lush green hills, there lived a wise old man named Haran. Haran was known for his calm demeanor and insightful advice, and people from neighboring villages often sought his counsel. The villagers marveled at how Haran could resolve conflicts and bring peace simply through his words. One day, a young man named Ravi, full of ambition and energy, came to Haran with a question. Master, Ravi began, I've heard people say that words are powerful. But how can mere words change anything? Aren't actions more important? Haran smiled gently. Ah, young Ravi, words have the power to build and destroy, to heal and hurt. Let me show you their strength. Ravi was intrigued but skeptical. How can I understand this power? He asked. Haran pointed to a tree outside his hut. Go to that tree and speak to it kindly for the next 7 days. Tell it how beautiful it is, how grateful you are for its shade, and how much life it brings to the village. Confused but curious, Ravi agreed. Each day, he approached the tree, speaking kind and loving words. You're a magnificent tree, he would say. Your branches are strong, and your leaves dance so gracefully in the wind. Thank you for everything you provide. At the end of the week, Haran gave Ravi a new task. Now, for the next 7 days, speak harshly to the same tree. Insult it, criticize it, and express disdain. Ravi hesitated. But why would I do that? It feels wrong. Trust the process, Haran replied. Reluctantly, Ravi complied. He approached the tree with anger in his voice. You're ugly and useless, he snarled. Your branches are crooked, and your leaves are a mess. You don't deserve to stand here. By the end of the second week, Ravi returned to Haran. Master, I've done as you asked. But the tree hasn't changed. It's the same as before. Haran chuckled. The tree may not show any visible change, but the exercise wasn't about the tree. It was about you. How did you feel speaking kind words versus harsh ones? Ravi paused, reflecting on his experience. When I spoke kindly, I felt warmth and happiness. But when I spoke harshly, I felt angry and bitter. It was as if the words I used shaped my emotions. Exactly, Haran said. Words carry energy. They affect not only those who hear them but also those who speak them. Now let me share another story to deepen your understanding. Haran began, many years ago, there was a king who ruled over a vast kingdom. This king was known for his vanity and quick temper. One day, a poor poet came to his court, seeking patronage. The poet presented the king with a beautiful poem, praising his reign and kindness. The king, pleased with the flattery, rewarded the poet generously. However, a jealous minister whispered into the king's ear, saying, Your Majesty, this poet only praises you because of your wealth. If you were a common man, he wouldn't even look at you. Angered by the minister's words, the king ordered the poet to leave the kingdom immediately. The poet, heartbroken but wise, said, Your Majesty, words are like seeds. They grow into the fruit you consume. Beware of those who plant seeds of doubt and hatred. The king dismissed the poet's warning. But over time, he began to notice the minister's divisive nature. The minister's words often caused rifts among the court and led to unnecessary conflicts. Remembering the poet's advice, the king finally understood the power of words. He banished the minister and sought to rule with fairness and kindness, carefully choosing his words and actions. Haran looked at Ravi and concluded, words have the power to shape perceptions, influence decisions, and create realities. Whether spoken to others or ourselves, they leave a lasting impact. Be mindful of your words, for they are the tools with which you build your world. Ravi's eyes sparkled with newfound understanding. He thanked Haran and vowed to use his words wisely, spreading kindness and positivity wherever he went. From that day forward, Ravi became known as a compassionate and eloquent speaker. His words inspired those around him, and his life blossomed in ways he had never imagined. The villagers, seeing the transformation in Ravi, were reminded of Haran's wisdom. The power of words is indeed immense, and when used with care, they can bring light to even the darkest corners. Reflection. The story of Ravi and Haran reminds us of an essential truth: words are not just sounds or letters, they are carriers of meaning, emotion, and intent. Every word we utter has the potential to uplift or harm, to connect or divide. In a world where communication is key, understanding the power of words can transform our relationships and our lives. Consider how you speak to others, especially in moments of anger or frustration. Take a moment to pause and choose words that build bridges rather than walls. Remember that even small acts of kindness, expressed through simple words, can have a ripple effect far beyond what you can see. Similarly, be mindful of how you speak to yourself. Negative self-talk can erode confidence and self-esteem, while positive affirmations can nurture growth and resilience. Like Ravi learned, the words you use shape not only the world around you but also the world within you. In the end, the power of words lies in their ability to inspire, heal, and transform. When we wield this power with wisdom and compassion, we unlock a limitless potential to create a better, brighter world.